what is Shodan actually? Shodan is a search engine on which we see all the devices which are connected on the internet. The devices can vary from your refrigerator, your printer, your computers, your servers, or anything which has the access to internet. So the Shodan crawlers basically crawl all the devices, to be specific, all the IoT devices, and shows the result onto the Shodan database. So being a bug bounty hunter or a penetration tester, we can just use specific search queries or use Shodan search filters to get the information about those particular devices which have been indexed by Shodan. So let us quickly start with the installation of Shodan, and let's see how can we easily set it up and start hacking. The best way to install Shodan is using Easy Install. For using Easy Install, you need to have Python installed into your computer. So in case you do not have Python, then just log on to python.org. Over here, just go over to downloads and you can download the latest version of Python from here for your system. In case you have Windows, Linux, macOS, or any other distribution. Once you have installed Python, then just open up your terminal and we are going to install Shodan now. So the best way would be, and the simplest way would be, using Easy Install and just writing Shodan and hitting enter. As you can see, you may get an error which says your account does not have right access to this directory. So you may have to become a super user. Now, as I have become the super user, I'm again going to run this command. And you can see finished processing dependencies for Shodan, which means Shodan has been successfully installed into our computer. The second way of installing Shodan is using pip. So you can just type pip and you can type space install and Shodan and hit enter. So once you hit enter, all the requirements will be automatically installed, and once all the requirements are installed, you will have Shodan installed and running. As you can see, I have already installed all the requirements, so it is saying requirement already satisfied. Alright, so now we are going to check if Shodan is running into our systems or not by typing Shodan and enter. As you can see, we have got the help menu wherein we can see the commands that we can use later on for enriching our specific search queries and getting search results. So this is it for this video, in which we have seen successful installation of Shodan. Thank you.